The next application of multi-rate DSP can be in audio signal processing. In audio signal processing, for example, many times in CD player or any music player, we have one signal, let's say an audio signal. Audio signal consists of frequencies from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So it is often the case that I want to change the data rate of the audio signal, and hence in any music player or CD player, to change the data rate of the signal, I'll have to change the sampling rate. So if I want to increase the data rate, I'll have to increase the number of samples, or if I want to reduce the data rate, I'll have to reduce the number of samples, and hence I may carry out the multi-rate DSP once again. One more application of multi-rate DSP is in high quality data acquisition system. Data acquisition system is nothing but a system which will read an analog signal or any physical quantity in the form of analog electric sensor, which can be done with the help of sensors. This analog signal will be converted to digital signal in the form of using the sampling and quantization process, and this digital signal is then stored in digital computers or any other digital system. Now, when it comes to increasing the quality of the stored signal, we may want to have more number of bits representing the signal, and that will be possible if we have more number of samples coming from the analog signal. So improving the quality of any signal would be increasing the sampling rate of the original analog signal. So instead of converting digital signal to analog signal and sampling it at high sampling frequency, instead of using that approach, we again use multi-rate DSP, and to be specific, we use interpolation, which will increase the data rate of the signal. So in data acquisition system, we can use multi-rate DSP. One more application is in transmultiplexers. Transmultiplexing is something similar to time division multiplexing, where we have multiple signals that are needed to be transmitted in the form of single composite signal. So we take a lot of signals, we take multiple signals, we'll sample each and every signal. We read one sample from one signal at a time, and we group the samples of all the signals. We represent all the samples in the form of bits through process of quantization, and then we transmit this signals through the common communication channel. So here we will require a multiplexer structure, which will be nothing but a switch like structure. We call it commutator, which will keep on reading samples from all the input channels. Now, often in transmultiplexers, we may require to increase the sample rate or decrease the sample rate as per to adjust to the available channel bandwidth, and hence once again I can use multi-rate DSP in transmultiplexers. So these are some important applications of multi-rate DSP. Some of this and few more applications we'll be discussing in detail as one small module of multi-rate DSP. Let us now study process of decimation and interpolation in detail.